Hello everyone. Today let's fix the screen back. As you can see, the smartphone, the screen has detached completely. Here you see, you can see the light, it's on. For that, first we need to clean both the side grooves. Open the phone in this way. But remember one thing, if your phone is not, the touch of the phone is not working, any such thing, then first solve the touchscreen problem and then you fix the screen. First we need to clean it here. Take a toothpick and just clean all around. Here is the speaker grill. See that none of the holes here are closed. Just clean them thoroughly. Do not press this part or do not touch it with your bare hand. Just wipe it. Take an anti-static brush if you have. Here it is a sensor, proxy sensor, ambient light sensor. So this should not be covered. Be careful. Similarly, if you see any dust here on the border, you can just clean it using the brush itself. Be careful with this part. Do not open and close too many times. Just 1 or 2 times, that's enough. Now take this adhesive, black one, because this phone, it has a black casing as well as surrounding of the screen is black, so I'm using this black one. If your smartphone is white color, then you can use this CP001. I'm using CP0002. Now just apply it. After applying, just take the toothpick, just spread the glue. I'm spreading it because the layer should be very thin. It should not be thick. If it will be thin, then it will hold tightly. Remove the excess one. Now do the same thing on the screen as well. Right. Spread it. Be careful. Do the fixing of screen on your own risk. Try to follow all the steps I'm showing. Before applying the glue, cleaning is very important, so please follow the cleaning method as well. There are few windows here. One is for camera and for proximity sensor. So do not close those holes. Now take the screen, just push it a little bit upside here, apply it here, and the glue which I am using, after applying, wait for 5 minutes, then we need to fix attach both the surfaces. That is, screen should be fixed after 5 minutes. Spread it in this way. Okay. Now wait for a minute or two. Hold the screen, take it, place it in this way, and press it all around. We can remove the excess adhesive after drying, after the screen dries. See, it is good. Now take laundry clips, just press it all around, fix them this way. So on the side you can fix two, one here, but presently I am having only 4, so I am fixing 4. So let's allow it to dry. We need to keep it for at least 1 hour for drying, 1 hour to 24 hours, minimum 1 hour. So better we'll keep it for 24 hours so that it will dry completely and hold the screen firmly. Okay, now let's see. Let's check it. Just remove the clips. Now after keeping it for drying for several hours, let's see. As you can see, the touch is working. So we remove the clips. Just remove the excess adhesive glue by wiping it in this way. If you have any another method for removing the glue, you can use that one. You can use IPA, alcohol, isopropylene alcohol. So now it's done. Let me clean the glass. Okay, now it's good. Let's see for the touch screen. Yes, it's working fine. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in fixing the screen on your own, the screen of smartphone that has detached by itself. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.